Hey, how you doing? This is Mike, Innovative Door inside a box truck right now. We got working on it right here. It's kind of cool. This is a unique situation for us. We're right here by that is I-294. Right there, ladies and gentlemen. And we're working on the panels right there. We're going to put in these 3 mini panels to make it 32 up top here. We're going to reuse the spring and drums because there's nothing wrong with that. And plop some panels in. There's our box truck. We're going to get out this way. If you have any box truck door needs, give us a call, 630-271-9343. Innovative garage door, box truck repair, truck trailer door repair specialist, and landscape door repair as well. We don't do as many of those, but we do those as well. Thanks for watching our Inside the Box Truck Door video. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching.